Welcome back to our video production series. Today, we'll show you how to easily set up and edit your brand kit with FlexClip. First, log into your account. Then, open the brand section from the sidebar. Here, you can create and save your brand logos, text presets, fonts, colors, QR codes, and watermarks. Let's go through them one by one. Start with brand logos. Upload your logos here. You can add multiple images at once. If you'd like to upload more, just click the plus icon. Click See All to view all your uploaded logos. Next, let's add brand texts. Click this button to add text, then double-click the text box on the canvas to type your brand name or tagline. Adjust the text settings as needed. And click here to save it as a preset. You can quickly apply this text preset to any videos anytime. You can save many brand texts if needed. Now, upload your brand fonts so you can find them easily under the Fonts tab and use them for your text designs. To add brand colors, click Add Brand Colors and select the ones you frequently use. You'll find them later in the text color panel for quick access. Want to create a QR code? Enter the QR code name, paste your link, choose the color, and decide whether to use a transparent or colored background. Then click Save. You can download, edit, or delete at any time. In the watermark section, you can create either a text watermark or an image watermark, perfect for keeping your videos on brand. Together, these elements make up your complete brand kit. To manage everything, click the Manage button. Or go directly to Brand Kit from the home page. Here, you can upload or delete multiple logos and fonts all at once. That's all for today's tutorial. Stay tuned for more video production tips in our series.